How to change control type in Racing League. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. You can easily change the control type in Racing League game. So here's how you can do it. First of all, launch open Racing League game on your device. Once you're inside this home page, go ahead and tap on Settings on the right corner. Inside Settings menu, you'll see the Control Type tab. You'll see different control types available. Select the control type you want for your gameplay. Once you are done, head back to the main lobby screen and select whether you'd like to play single player or multiplayer and begin your game. So that's how you can change your control type in Racing League. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.